In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best squat stand power rack on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best squat stand power rack on Amazon. Number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness Power Cage and Squat Rack, High Weight Capacity Strength Training Rack with J-hooks, Adjustable Pull-Up Bar, Plate Storage and Resistance Band Posts, High Weight Capacity built for heavy lifting with a strong steel frame for maximum stability and support, Adjustable hooks easily customized barbell height for squats, bench press, and other lifts. Pull-up bar included adjustable bar supports multiple grip positions for upper body workouts. Built-in plate storage convenient. Weight plate holders keep your gym organized and accessible. Resistance band posts add extra resistance for strength training and explosive workouts. Heavy-duty construction durable steel design ensures long-term reliability and safety. Home gym essential perfect for full-body workouts including squats, presses, pull-ups, and more. Take your strength training to the next level with the Sunny Health and Fitness Power Cage and Squat Rack, a heavy-duty workout station designed for serious lifters and home gym enthusiasts. Built with a high-weight capacity steel frame, this power cage delivers unmatched stability and safety during intense workouts. The adjustable J-hooks allow you to position your barbell perfectly for exercises like squats, bench press, and overhead press. An adjustable pull-up bar provides versatile upper body training, while the integrated weight plate holders help keep your space organized. Enhance your workouts further with resistance band posts, ideal for adding variable resistance and improving strength and performance. Whether you're building muscle, increasing strength. Number 2, Synergee 2200 Series 79-inch wall-mounted squat rack, adjustable pull-up bar and J-cups, 750 pounds capacity, freestanding strength and bodyweight exercise stand. Heavy-duty 750 pounds capacity engineered for serious strength training with a sturdy steel frame. Adjustable J-cup safely customized barbell height for squats, presses, and other lifts. Pull-up bar included adjustable bar for multiple grip positions, supporting bodyweight exercises. Wall-mounted and freestanding can be securely anchored or used as a freestanding unit for versatile setups. Space-saving design compact 79-inch frame ideal for home gyms or garage workouts. Full-body training suitable for squats, bench press, pull-ups, and other strength exercises. Elevate your home workouts with the Synergee 2200 Series 79 wall-mounted squat rack, a premium strength training solution built for both freestanding and wall-mounted use. With a 750 pounds weight capacity, this versatile rack supports heavy lifting and full-body strength training. The adjustable J-cups. Number 3, CANPA Multifunction Power Rack, adjustable squat stand and pull-up bar, heavy-duty home gym cage with high-weight capacity. Heavy-duty construction sturdy steel frame designed for high-weight capacity strength training. Adjustable squat rack customized barbell height for squats, bench press, and other lifts. Pull-up bar included multi-grip pull-up bar for upper body and core workouts. Versatile power rack suitable for squats, presses, pull-ups, and full-body exercises. Safe and stable design. Wide base and reinforced frame ensure stability during heavy lifts. Home gym essential compact and multifunctional, perfect for home or garage gyms. Upgrade your home gym with the CANPA Multifunction Power Rack, a heavy-duty training cage built for strength, stability, and versatility. Designed to support intense workouts, this power rack combines an adjustable squat stand and pull-up bar in one compact system, making it ideal for full-body training. The adjustable squat rack allows precise bar positioning for squats, bench presses, and other lifts, while the multi-grip pull-up bar adds upper body and core exercise options. Built with a reinforced steel frame, this rack provides maximum stability and safety for solo workouts. Compact yet versatile, the CANPA Power Rack. Number 4, Jellin's S11 Power Cage 2000 lb Multifunction Power Rack with lat pull-down, adjustable pulley system and training attachments, home gym weight rack. Ultra-high 2000 lb capacity heavy-duty steel frame designed for serious strength training. Multifunction design includes squat rack, lat pull-down, adjustable pulleys, and attachments for full-body workouts. Adjustable pulley system customized cable positions for diverse exercises targeting chest, back, arms, and core. Weight plate storage integrated rack keeps plates organized in your gym space. Tidy reinforced safety. Solid construction ensures stability during heavy lifts and solo training. Complete home gym solution ideal for squats, presses, pull-ups, rows, and cable exercises. Take your home gym to the next level with the Jellin's S11 Power Cage, a professional-grade multifunction rack built for heavy-duty strength training. With a 2000 lb weight capacity, this versatile system combines a squat rack, lat pull-down, adjustable pulley system, and training attachments to deliver a complete full-body workout in one station. The adjustable pulleys and cable attachments allow a wide range of exercises, from rows and chest presses to tricep pushdowns and core training. Built with reinforced steel, the S11 Power Case, number 5 Mikolo M4 2.0 Smith machine, 2200 lb squat rack with lat pull-down, cable crossover and leg hold-down attachment, multifunction home gym equipment. Ultra-heavy 2200 lb capacity sturdy steel frame designed for maximum strength and durability. All-in-one training system combines Smith machine, squat rack, lat pull-down, and cable crossover for full-body workouts, adjustable components, customized bar and pulley positions for squats, presses, rows, and other exercises. Leg hold-down attachment supports lower body exercises like leg curls and extensions. Stable and safe design. Reinforced construction ensures secure lifting even during heavy loads. Home gym ready, versatile and compact enough to fit in dedicated home workout spaces. The Mikolo M4 2.0 Smith machine is a professional-grade, multifunctional home gym system built for serious strength training. With a 2200 lb weight capacity, it integrates a Smith machine, squat rack, lat pull-down, cable crossover system, and a leg hold-down attachment, giving you the ability to target every major muscle group. With the adjustable bar and pulley system allow for precise positioning for a wide variety of exercises including bench presses, rows, squats, and cable movements. Built with heavy-duty steel, this machine ensures safety, stability, and long-term durability. Compact yet versatile, the Mikolo M4 2.0 is perfect for full-body workouts, making it an ideal solution for home gyms looking to replace multiple pieces of equipment with one advanced training station.